Okay, what did we get here? We got the HP 690 rechargeable wireless mouse, fast wireless quick charging, or USB-C charging. Okay, let's see. USB-C cable, USB to USB-C. Okay, that's cool. More paper. Disgusting. And our mouse. Ooh. Actually, it's got a nice look and feel to it. 2 hours if you use the quick charger, and 2 hours if you use the USB-C. Okay. So we could technically charge it while we use it with USB-C. Okay. So then you hit the power button to turn it on, and then you turn Bluetooth on your device and on the mouse. Well, how do you do it? Oh, you hold it for 3 seconds. Okay. So we're going to turn the mouse on, and she's on. So let's turn on the Bluetooth on our device here. Bluetooth on. And then we're going to hold this button right here for 3 seconds. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. I think it says connect. Yes. Yes, it says it was found and it wants to connect. So, yes. Okay, easy. And the device is ready to go. Okay. So, mouse is working. Ooh, nice and smooth. Okay. I don't know why you labeled them on the front and then put the description on the back. Come on, HP. Start making your stuff here in the United States. That way instructions can make sense. Oh, that is nice. That is so nice. But here's the thing. Here's why we wanted it. Okay. Now, how do we tell if it's charging? How do we tell? How do we tell if it's charging? I mean, we got the symbol here that says set it on there. But how do you tell if it's charging? But it doesn't say anything about how to tell if it's charging on the quick charger. Hey HP, do us a favor. Put a little light on there that shows it's charging. I mean, that way people know. I'm sure as long as those are lined up, it's charging. I would just like confirmation on that, but I'm sure it's fine. Actually, I'm sure it's probably 100%. So, not like it's going to matter at this point. But we'll, you know. So, put a link for that down below in the description. Nice little pad there. Get a different video for that. So, nice and pretty. Quick charger attached. I can drop my phone on there, charge it while I'm playing a game, or drop my mouse on there after a gaming session to charge that back up. So, cool.